We're Jeff Low Price Keys in Santiago here in Reno, Nevada. We're approaching a customer today with a 2013 Dodge Ram. Customers lost all his keys and have no idea what it is, where it is. So we're out here to cut and program another one, and here is the program key. And here is your unlock. Of course, there is your lock button. So we're gonna show you right here. Lock, unlock button, etc. And after that is a push and start as well. So step on your brake, hit the push and start button. Very good, nice, very nice, very nice. All right, guys, Jeff in Santiago, the Low Price Keys. You guys got one of these nice Dodge Ram and lost all your keys and need spare keys, we can be reached at 281-250-4334. At the same token, you can also call us in Reno, Nevada location at 775-561-000. Thank you for following us online and have a blessed day.